Good day, everybody. This is Michael Levitis from JurisQ.com with a personal injury attorney in Elizabeth, New Jersey, Herbert Lawrence. Hi, Herbert.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you for your time to educate our viewers and listeners. We talked in our last session what to do after a car accident. Now let's talk about, in your opinion, as a seasoned, experienced personal injury attorney, what should one not do after a car accident to jeopardize your case?
Well, the first thing you shouldn't do is when the police come over to you and ask for a factual basis of what occurred.
Right.
You should not go on and on and on and on. You should very succinctly and in as few words as possible tell them what you think occurred.
Right.
And even if you think that something was your fault or you did something wrong, don't volunteer that. Okay? Just leave it short and sweet. As I instruct most clients, especially those who are seriously injured, you have to understand that the morals of insurance companies leave a lot to be desired. They have no problem in following you around secretly.
Mm-hmm.
The person that's following you has a videotape camera or some other device to record what's happening.
Right.
They will do it 24/7. Anything that they can record, even the simple act of taking out the garbage, they will record it in hopes that they will use it during trial to indicate that you really weren't injured that badly. And we all recognize that everyday life, especially if you're a person who's single and is living alone, mandates certain physical aspects to it unless you somehow are ultimately real wealthy and you can hire a maid or a butler. That's realistically an impossibility.
Got it.
So we are things that are physical that even if we're injured, we have to do.
Mm-hmm.
You have to recognize that as a plaintiff, and you need to recognize that sometimes you're going to have to ask for somebody else's help, even though, especially us men who think, well, we're a man, we can do so and so.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you may be able to do so and so with a lot of pain, but it may be a bigger pain when you see that in the middle of a trial being used to indicate that you really weren't hurt.
Of course. Okay, thank you for the words of wisdom. You are giving us practical advice. I also want to go back to what you said in our previous session. You said you should, after an accident, take pictures, and especially pictures of the damage of the both cars and the plate number of the other vehicle. So the inverse is also true, right? What you should not do is not forget to take pictures of the car and the plate. Okay, Herbert, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And we're going to come back to you in the coming months with more questions, more frequently asked questions on personal injury law in New Jersey. We appreciate it. And for everybody listening in, watching our educational videos, remember, this is just general advice. It is not specific to your case. So if you were injured, if you were hurt in any kind of motor vehicle accident in New Jersey, you should call an attorney, and the phone number of Herbert Lawrence is on the bottom of the screen. Thank you so much, Herbert. We appreciate your time. Have a great day.
You too.